ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति।
Namaste and a very good morning to one and all present here. Today is 18th November અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે કારતક સુદ 14 છે. We welcome you all to the today's morning assembly. Let's start our day with the prayers.
तेरा हाथ जिसने पकड़ा वो रहा न बेसहारा। तेरा हाथ जिसने पकड़ा वो रहा न बेसहारा। दरिया में डूब गए भी उसे मिल गया किनारा। तेरा हाथ जिसने पकड़ा वो रहा न बेसहारा। तेरा हाथ जिसने पकड़ा वो रहा न बेसहारा। आनंद पा लिया है साईं के दर पे आके। आनंद पा लिया है साईं के दर पे आके। अब क्या करेंगे फिर से दुनिया के पास जाके। अब क्या करेंगे फिर से दुनिया के पास जाके। समझाया जिंदगी ने बड़े काम का इशारा। दरिया में डूब गए भी उसे मिल गया किनारा। दरिया में डूब गए भी उसे मिल गया किनारा। तेरा हाथ जिसने पकड़ा वो रहा न बेसहारा। वो रहा न बेसहारा। वो रहा न बेसहारा। वो रहा न बेसहारा।
it is going through life, knowing that there is always something to thank God for no matter the circumstances. Gratitude is thanking God in the midst of problem, having faith that He is the solution.
Gratitude is not a word but a way of life. It's living each second, each minute, each hour, each day. Expressing appreciation to God through praise and giving thanks for all that we have and for all that we don't have.
To live each day knowing that we should never take anything for granted since everything is here to bless us. Waking up every day with a thankful heart and not wait for something good to happen to say thank you God.
Knowing that each breath we are blessed which has a purpose and offers us an opportunity to serve God and be grateful to experience God's endless presence all around us. Gratitude is knowing that each day is a day that the Lord has made and we must rejoice and be glad in it.
Now let's welcome Kavya to recite a poem in English.
A daughter's gratitude to a loving mother. I can renounce all worldly pleasures to strengthen our bond. Your love, care, and concern are my treasures, which precipitate a coating around. This makes me impervious to the malignities outside. All my sufferings get alleviated when you sit beside. It reminds me of the school days when, on return throwing my bag, I would cuddle you for long and seek shelter in your lap. From the juvenile to maturity, at the life's vertical shaft, you have shouldered all the burden to hold me aloft. But the law of eternity will not allow this pair of electrons to remain a bond. Cruel time will snatch away one electron, leaving an ion. Births and rebirths not known to us whether those are true, but if they appear over and over, shall always pray for a mother like you. Thank you.
Now let's call upon Shreya from grade 12 to recite a poem in Gujarati.
તરુનો બહુ આભાર જગત પર તરુનો બહુ આભાર ફૂલો આપે ફળો આપે ગાડે ગાડા પીપા આપે છાયાને વિશ્રામો આપે પંખીનો આધાર તરુનો બહુ આભાર કાપતોએ કોપ ન કરતું સુકાઈ જાય બળતર દીધું ઘરનો રાજ્ય શણગાર તરુનો બહુ આભાર કઠિયારાની એ જ છે રોજી સુધારની એ પૂંજી મોટી પૃથ્વી માટે વાદળ ખેંચી વસાવે જળધાર તરુનો બહુ આભાર વૃક્ષોની શિખામાં એવી સૌ જીવનને સેવા કરવી તડકો વેઠી છાયા દેવી કરો પરોપકાર તરુનો બહુ આભાર આભાર.
Now I invite Anuj from grade 11 to recite a poem in Hindi.
नमस्ते. विश्राम लो, खोल दृष्टि, हो आभारी, बन कृतज्ञ. अस्तित्व में हो आनंद प्रद, परिवार छोड़ अभीष को पाओ. प्रमोदित हो, सफल हो जा. ज्ञान चक्षु खोल रख, विश्वास सीमित को बनाए अनंत. बन जा खास. ना कर क्रंदन, प्राप्त हो उसका वंदन. ना कर क्रंदन, बन आभारी, दे धन्यवाद. पूरी कर अपनी मुराद, जिन्होंने निभाया साथ, बन उनका कृतार्थ. सपने जो अनमोल है, ना आंक उनकी कीमत. रुदन ना कर खोने का, मना उत्सव जो पाया है. कृतज्ञता की ताकत कोष गुणों का है इंसान. लक्ष्य पर नजर टिकाए रख, कदम बढ़ा. अवलोकन कर उनका जिनके पास न साधन, फिर भी न शिकवा न शिकायत. करते अद्वैत का अभिवादन. आगे पग बढ़ाते जा, असाध्य को साध्य बनाते जा. आगे पग बढ़ाते जा, असाध्य को साध्य बनाते जा. धन्यवाद.
Let's salute to our nation by rising up for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य दिव्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. Now I invite Umesh sir to share the point to Socho.
Namaste. The most disastrous pandemic of the 21st century, COVID-19, has turned the whole world upside down. During the past 1.5 years, hundreds and thousands of educational institutions across the world have found it very difficult to conduct their educational activities smoothly. But if we talk about our own dear TGS, we have had very successful virtual learning during the past 1.5 years. The reason being the farsightedness and vision of our school management. Now for this successful online learning, I have my heart full of gratitude for our institution, which I would like to express through few lines. Thank you TGS for being such a powerful force to be reckoned with, have been scaling greater heights by virtue of innovative ideas, determination and grit. Thank you TGS for facilitating profoundly conducive conditions for online learning, even extended helping hands, believing no child is deprived of it in the want of earning. Thank you teachers for creating splendid platform for mesmerizing morning prayers. They remind and transport us all to the SNK's lovely mornings and devotional ambience. Thank you teachers for organizing online spellbinding colorful events. Latent talent of many goes global, be it students, teachers or parents. Thank you teachers for standing by us, being so generous, caring, empathetic and kind. Each one of us now has a strong belief that if winter comes, can spring be far behind. So my heart is full of gratitude for our beloved institution. Do you also have the same feeling for our TGS, for our SNK school? Think about it. Thank you.
With this, we come to the end of today's assembly. Now I like to thank all the people who helped to make this assembly. Now I invite music team for the exit song.
नमस्ते। कर्मों का फल तो बंदे तुझे भोगना पड़ेगा, लेकिन यह साईं शक्ति कुछ दर्द कम करेगी। इसका मतलब यह है कि जाने अनजाने में अगर हमसे कोई दुष्कर्म भी हो गए होंगे तो उसका फल ज़्यादातर साईं अपने सिर पर ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी भक्ति की शक्ति की प्रबलता इतनी रहती है कि हमारे पापों का नाश हो जाता है। तो इससे हमें यह सीख मिलती है कि हमें कर्म अच्छे करने चाहिए, क्योंकि जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। आइए सुनते हैं।
दर्द कम करेगी,
कुछ अपने से मिलेगी, कुछ अपने से मिलेगी, कुछ तेरे से रहेगा। कर्मों का फल तो बंदे तुझे भोगना पड़ेगा।
कर्मों का फल तो